Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the CAD's measure tool, or also known as a 2-point measure tool. But before that, I would say let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head into the program here. Now in a previous video we looked at some rounding and chamfering. Now we're going to be looking at measuring. Now this next one is this measuring tool here next to them. If I over there, you guys can see we've got the measurement, and how this is going to work is it's going to give us a measurement in the bottom, I think it was the bottom right or bottom left. We'll look now. It might be the identification panel, and then yeah, but in order to use this, we're going to click it, and then what you want to do is click on external internal contour. So I'm going to find some points here, so let me go to this one, click that, and then I'm going to go to this side right at the bottom, most bottom, click that, and then we can see over here it says that our distance is 100. Now you can obviously also go from any one point to another point. So if I go and let's say we click this point over here, oops, wrong button, go measurement, this point, find it. Okay, sorry, I'm not sure what's happening here. Let me just make sure I click on measuring tool. Let's try that again. Click on that one, click on the top one, and we can see the distance between those two again is 40. So this is a great way to get distances on your actual shapes. So if you had to do something very specific, you can always do that. Like let's say also we knew this one was 100, so I'm going to make this also 100 by 100. Then go to single positioning, and then let's make this one on the X 110. Say okay, then we've got that one there. Now what you can do, for instance, let's say we go select the measuring tool again, select that point and that point, not the actual feature. Now we can see the distance between those two is 30. So it doesn't work with just one object. You can also use it with multiple objects, the distance between each other. So yeah, otherwise it's a very handy tool. You might find you use it a lot. Your identifier you can use just by quickly winging it with eye, but or should I say your location identifier or panel, but and this is a way more solid, so you don't have to round it off. You know, okay, this is exactly the distance for you to work with that. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. And if you do not find the videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.